GTOs. I've got a new machine, and she really goes. When I pass you on the drag strip, you'll know darn well. Been beaten by a porcupine, V8 Chevelle. Tacking it up now, you better be quick. Nothing can outrun my SS 396. There's lots of chrome goodies sitting under the hood. She looks real pretty like a tough one should. On her red line tires, she sits real mean. She's the coolest hot one you've ever seen. Cruising the highway, I get my kicks. Everybody's digging my SS 396. Look at her go. Look at her go. She sits real low. Sits real low. Feel her tires grip the road. Her deep breathing pour. Deep breathing pour. Man, I'll never sell short. Never sell short. Feel the rear end grab the load. I'll take you for a ride, man, it's really a treat. Strap yourself into a bucket seat. When the 4-speed tranny is starting to whine, we'll know that the Super Sport wants to get off the line. Cruising the highway, I get my kicks. Nothing can match my SS 396.